welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY paper pop-up stars, and these are perfect for decoration or just making them for fun. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Take your paper and cut a thin strip. Now you want to take your strip of paper and fold it in a loop. Now you want to take the remaining strip of paper on the side and tuck it in the loop. And you want to pull it down so that it stays secure, and you want to press it down. Now you can cut off the remaining strip of paper at the bottom. Now you want to pinch the 5 corners of the pentagon. When popping up the star, you want to make sure not to keep your finger in the middle of the star. Here is the completed pop-up star. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to try out making this pop-up star, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye!